When you think of Greek gods, images of power come to mind: Zeus, Poseidon, Hades. But Hestia, goddess of the hearth, held a profound influence. She quietly held everything together, a cornerstone of both the divine and mortal realms. She's the very heart of family and community. Her warmth and stability provided the bedrock for society. Her presence kept Olympus, the home of the gods and ancient Greek society, from falling apart. Let's uncover why Hestia, the gentle guardian of the flame, was one of the most vital figures. Hestia's story begins at the very beginning of Greek mythology, predating many iconic events. As the first child of Cronus and Rhea, she was born into a world ruled by the Titans. This makes her the eldest Olympian. Cronus, fearing a prophecy of his downfall, swallowed his children, including Hestia. Only Zeus escaped this fate. He challenged Cronus and freed his siblings. Hestia emerged last, creating a paradox. This made her both the oldest and youngest Olympian. This shaped her unique place among the gods. She witnessed the rise of the Olympians, and her presence anchored the family. Hestia's name literally means hearth in Greek, the heart of every home. She embodied warmth, safety, and belonging, representing the sacred fire around which families gathered. Her name wasn't about power, but about the quiet strength that makes a house a home. Hestia's flame wasn't just a comforting presence in individual homes, providing warmth and light. It was far more significant than that. It burned brightly at the very center of every Greek city, a symbol of communal life and shared identity. The flame represented the heart of the polis. This eternal fire symbolized unity, continuity, and life itself for the entire city-state. It was a sacred trust, carefully guarded by priestesses. If it went out, it was seen as a terrible omen, a sign of potential disaster, and societal collapse was feared. When founding new colonies in distant lands, a crucial ritual was observed. Greeks carefully carried embers, a spark of hope and heritage, from the mother city's sacred hearth. This ensured they were keeping Hestia's sacred connection alive in their new home, a tangible link to their origins. In this way, her flame served as a powerful bond, linking every Greek community together, no matter how far-flung. Hestia was one of the original 12 Olympians, but when Dionysus arrived, she quietly gave up her seat to avoid conflict. While others thrived on drama, Hestia chose peace and harmony over power. She preferred tending the sacred fire to political squabbles. Her selflessness set her apart from the rest. Hestia's influence reached every home. She was the goddess of hospitality, or Xenia. Welcoming strangers, sharing food, and honoring guests were all under her protection. Every meal began and ended with offerings to Hestia, reminding Greeks that the home was sacred. She was the silent force uniting families and communities. While other gods thrived on chaos, Hestia was serene and modest. She refused marriage proposals from Poseidon and Apollo, vowing to remain devoted to her duties. Zeus honored her with the first share of every sacrifice. She chose peace over power, always. Hestia's legacy lives on, even today. The word hearth comes from her name, and our idea of home as a sanctuary echoes her ancient role. Every time we cherish warmth, safety, and belonging, we honor Hestia's spirit. Her influence is timeless. Hestia's story proves that true strength can be quiet. She kept the home fires burning, holding families and cities together. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more hidden gems from mythology. Thanks for watching. May you always find warmth and peace in your own hearth.